Katana's down there.
Let's breach the perimeter.
Right, put us on the roof.
Roger.
But we have to reach Echo fast. I got a lot of hell headed that way.
Full on fire.
RPG!
Mr. One is hit. We're hit. Power up. Sail the collective. Fire! Fire! Shit, I can't hold her. I can't hold her.
You broken?
I'm good.
Echo 3-1, primary extraction failed. We're down on the roof.
Understood. What's the call, Captain?
There's a safe room in the basement. Head there, we'll be right behind you.
Roger, we're moving.
We have to reach the safe room before Al-Qatala does.
And the embassy personnel?
Al-Qatala's here for the wolf. So are we.
Good, you're here. They need 5 minutes to finish up. What can I do to help?
Find weapons. Barricade the doors.
To the extraction team!
Not yours. You. Open this door. Lock it behind us.
06, Echo 3-1. Wolf is secure in the basement safe room. Be advised, the butcher is outside, yellow shirt.
I have eyes on him. We're breaking through now. We need a new extraction point, fast.
Oh my God!
You! Open this now.
Everyone
You
back.
only want the wolf. No one else has to die today.
Who has the key card?
I do!
How about you, Captain? Are you gonna let them die?
Baba! Speak! Listen!
Wow, move it.
Save his life, Sergeant.
Now,
Give
Sergeant.
us the wolf! Mercy is weak. Take the truck around!
Getting everyone out. Now just sit tight and stay calm.
Move up. 3-1 AQ's breached. They're inside and headed your way.
Roger that. In the hallway!
Get on! Get on! Where's the wolf? Let me out!
In the office! The corner! Take northwest!
Let's get to the basement car. Take point.
Locked.
I've got it. Got it, Sergeant.
Raj, be advised, we have hostiles outside the safe room.
We'll take care of it. Let them know we're here, Sergeant.
3-1, we're here.
Vera, you still fighting a good fight?
Always, Captain.
The ambassador's still inside, sir. He's trapped.
Okay, keep him on the line. He may be our way out of here. Adir, thanks for the assist.
Our pleasure, sir.
Umar Suleiman.
Have we met?
Yeah, back when you were on our side.
The wolf was a freedom fighter?
I still am, brother.
The butcher's men are closing on the ambassador, Captain.
Rog. Kyle, man these cameras. Direct the ambassador's safety. We'll need his key card to open the rear doors. Rest of you on me.
Mr. Ambassador, can you hear me?
I'm gonna lock the door. Stacy, hide!
Ambassador!
Get Wait down!
Shit. Captain, the ambassador is down, but I can lead his assistant to you.
Do it. We need the key card.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
This is Sergeant Kyle Garrick.
Stacy Davidson.
Just do exactly as I say, we'll get you safe. Ambassador's key card and move to the door.
Okay, I have the key card. What now? That man is in the hall. He could see me.
There's a cart near the bookshelves. Go now. Pillar.
I'm going.
Go back.
Where is he?
Back up, back up.
I don't know!
That's a fucking butcher.
Don't lie to me. The wolf is here!
Sergeant
Tell
Garrick.
me where. I'm just an analyst! Someone else!
Shelf, move.
knows!
The embassy has fallen. Marines are setting up a rally point at the ambassador residence.
This is Captain Price, SAS. We're working our way to you.
Roger that, Captain. My Marines will keep an eye out for you.
Garrick, we're leaving.
Roger that.
Adea. Watch on Solomon.
Captain.
What's the plan?
Link up with the Marines at the southern compound.
Where's the compound?
Not far. Through the alley. Here. Thank you, Sergeant. You saved my life.
This key card may save all of us.
Adea. Expect contact.
They're here.
Contact southeast!
Moving.
Off the road. Give me cover! Let's go! Move your arms! Across the street, move! Kyle, get your ass over here!
Echo 3-1, you're clear to move up.
Raj, coming to you.
What's the movement?
يلا المكان مؤمن.
We're compromised.
Reposition, now!
There's the compound!
Garrett, use the key card. Get us in.
This is Bravo 6, SAS.
Didn't think you'd make it. We need a secure room to store prisoner.
Yes, sir. Secure room in the residence. Follow me.
What's left to do? Stand guard. Watch him.
We will be back for him. I will be gone, brother, but we will meet again.
Butcher, this is 06. I need air support and I need it now.
Negative 06. Can't risk another bird.
Kate, get me something. We'll be fighting the whole bloody city.
The only drone in range needs a refuel. Can't stay up for long.
Just get it here. 06 out. Alex, Kadir, go north. Cover that route. Kyle, Farah, you with me?
Roger, Captain. Rog.
Captain,
Marines have got the MC covered if they follow.
Nothing out there, sir.
They'll be back. They'll come from the other side.
How do you know?
Because I would.
She's right. Reposition across the roof. Now. Dig in. I want a line of sight across that field. Get eyes on that cafe straight across the field.
Check 12, cafe.
Get down!
Hop in a flare.
Got a visual!
Open up! Stay low, and do not leave this building. Sergeant, load up, come and see me.
Roger.
Bravo 6, this is Jaguar 4-1, on station for close air, guns hot.
Copy 4-1, stand by for target.
Birds inbound for close air.
One drone, low fuel.
Roger, actual.
We have a drone on station. I need you to mark targets.
We should roll up the wharf and get off the X.
Negative. We defend this position, we live to fight another day.
Cut bait?
We may have to.
Bravo, we need that drone, eh?
Rog, on my way. Roof, now!
Got a target!
This way.
Good eye, Flan.
06, Jaguar 4-1 is overhead for fire mission, waiting on your mark.
Copy, Jaguar, stand by.
Direct. Impact. Missile out.
Hey, cover me! Open loading! Hostile in the building, guys. Fire in the hole! Hell yeah! We're clear.
Not for long.
East side.
DAO, ready for target. Direct.
Marked another target.
They're inside the perimeter.
Beam is up. Send it.
Rifle.
Nice fucking hit, Kyle. I don't see him! Cover me!
Roger, marking.
Impact. Missile out.
Back way to the open.
Flash. Rifle.
Negative effect.
Jaguar reloading for re-attack. Stand by. Reloading. Bravo. Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark target.
Let's go. Moving on.
No good. Again. We're in that field.
Copy. Missile incoming.
Cover me.
Don't go 2-6. That's too close to friendlies.
Target down. Target of the screen. The targets are closing in. Garrick, go with it here. Take out that mortar team, then get your asses back here. Marines, back them up. Yes, sir. Hoorah! Pushing up, move. What's left? What's left?
Target building. Moving interior.
Sergeant, we have to take out this mortar team. Hurry! Gem man. Upstairs, go!
End it on!
All stations, Bravo 2-6. All mortars down. Building is clear.
Rallying back at the compound.
Sergeant, let's get back to the compound. Sister, they're bringing in more fighters.
In the field.